If romance had a shape, it would look like a rose. And today, with just one strand of yarn and a single crochet hook, we're going to hold that romance right in our hands. This is the pointed rose. It doesn't fade like a real flower, but instead carries the warmth of handmade craftsmanship and a bold, sculpted character all its own. Let's start crocheting. We will use a 2.0mm crochet hook. Take out yarn in any color you like. Rose color plus green for calyx and stem. Rose petal, main piece. Make a slip knot. Chain 53. Place a stitch marker in the first chain. After 53 chains, turn back and single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Continue with 52 single crochets. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Remove the marker and complete the last single crochet. Chain 5. Turn the work. In the first stitch, crochet 1 double crochet, pull through 2 loops twice. Skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 2. One double crochet all in the same stitch. This completes one group. Skip 2 stitches. And repeat the group in the next third stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Repeat for a total of 16 groups. Remove the stitch marker. In the last stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Chain 3, turn. Work into the large chain spaces from the previous row. In each space, crochet sad face 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Repeat for 18 groups. This is one set. Be careful not to crochet into the lower holes. Row 5. Chain 3, turn. Again, work into the chain spaces. Crochet 4 double crochets. Chain 2. Insert hook into the side of the 4th double crochet and make a picot stitch. This forms a picot. Continue with 4 more double crochets. This completes one group. Repeat for 15 groups. In the remaining 3 chain spaces, crochet 8 double crochets each. Chain 1. Pull the loop longer, fasten off, weave in all loose ends. Your rose petal piece is complete. Calyx, green base, switch to green yarn. Insert hook into a loop. Chain 3. Crochet 20 double crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Pull tight to close the ring. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Petal points. Chain 9. Slip stitch into the second stitch from the hook. Crochet. 1 single crochet. 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, yarn over twice, crochet 2 treble crochets, pull through loops 2 at a time. Skip 3 stitches, slip stitch into the 4th stitch. Chain 9. Repeat for the remaining 4 groups. Slip stitch, fasten off, and weave in ends. Your calyx is finished. Leaf, with wire support. Prepare a piece of wire. Make a slip knot and chain 12. Crochet over the wire. From the second chain, 1 single crochet. One half double crochet. Two double crochets. Two treble crochets. Two double crochets. One half double crochet. One single crochet. In the last chain, crochet 3 single crochets. Bend the wire and work back along the other side. One single crochet, one half double crochet, two double crochets, two treble crochets, two double crochets, one half double crochet, one single crochet. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull the loop up. Cut the yarn. Wrap excess yarn around the wire a few times and tuck the ends between the wires. Assembly. Roll the rose petal into shape. Attach the calyx at the base. Wrap green yarn tightly around the stem. Attach the leaf and continue wrapping. And just like that, your pointed rose is complete. A rose that will never fade, perfect as a gift, a decoration, or a handmade symbol of love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, who would you make this rose for? See you in the next crochet project.